Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to download Meteor Client. To do this, open any browser and search for Meteor Client. Go to the first site and click Download. Here we wait 4 seconds. Click Skip and save the client. Now we open it. There, well, yeah. Just save it. Next, we'll also need Fabric, of course. For this, we search for Fabric API. Go to Minecraft Mods, then Files, and download the latest version of Fabric. Click Download, and it starts installing. So we just need to put these two files in the Minecraft mods folder. To do this, type run %appdata%. Click OK. Minecraft, then mods, and drag in our Fabric API and Meteor Client. You can also install Fabric through the Fabric installer. Installation for Minecraft Launcher for the official version. There. And you can also play this way or download the universal jar file, which will create a profile for you. There. And after that, you can play. That's it. If you need older versions of Meteor Client, you'll need to download Baritone or go to the archive. Here's the archive with the old versions. Alright, see you later.